It's 2026. Your servers are still running PHP 7.4. You know it hit end of life way back in November 2022. You know you aren't getting official security patches anymore. But what those generic how-to tutorials won't tell you is that just upgrading isn't simple. Today I'm going to show you how enterprise teams keep their legacy PHP secure without rewriting their entire codebase. I'm Chris DeMars, Senior Developer Advocate here at TuxCare. Let's talk about the migration trap. Every new vulnerability discovered is a ticking time bomb for your unpatched PHP 7.4 apps. When you try to upgrade to a supported PHP 8 release in your staging environment, everything breaks. Suddenly, those old undefined array key notices are now warnings, and in many production setups, they get escalated into failures, broken builds, or even crashes. Core functions your app relies on are completely deprecated. An upgrade means months of refactoring, testing, and downtime that your business simply cannot afford right now. So what is the missing piece? It's called Endless Lifecycle Support, or ELS. Instead of forcing your dev team into a massive rewrite, TuxCare does the heavy lifting. We track new CVEs and upstream fixes, and our security engineers backport the remediation so it fits your existing PHP 7.4 code safely. We build it, test it, cryptographically sign it, and publish it to TuxCare's repositories so you can consume updates through your normal workflow. For your operations team, setup is typically just running an installer script that registers the server, adds the TuxCare repository, and imports the PGP key. After that, you get security updates through the same package manager workflow you already use. No application code changes required, and the patches are designed to preserve existing behavior. For compliance, it helps you demonstrate continuous patching and vulnerability management evidence for audits like PCI, DSS, and SOC 2. ELS acts as a secure buffer. It buys you the time and runway to plan a proper, methodical move to a supported PHP 8 version on your schedule. You don't have to choose between a secure server and a working application. You can have both. Stop the migration panic. Check the link in the description to learn more about TuxCare's Endless Lifecycle Support for PHP and get your systems secure today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.